Administering an IIS web server and dealing with ISC configuration files. These are configuration files used by Microsoft Internet Information Services web server. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to access and modify these IIS web server configuration files. Before we get technical, the simplest step is often overlooked, installing a general file opening utility. This often works when the specific ISC application fails. More details to follow. An ISC file is a configuration script used by Microsoft's Internet Information Services, IIS, web server. System administrators encounter these files when managing server settings, website properties, or application pools. Search intent is typically driven by the need to troubleshoot server errors, deploy configurations, or migrate a web server. This is a text-based file, often structured in a proprietary format that stores key value pairs and settings for the IIS metabase. The text-based design is critical for server administration as it allows for manual editing, version control, and the creation of automated scripts for deploying or replicating server configurations. For reliable opening, Microsoft Internet Information Services, IIS, by Microsoft Corporation offers the best solution for ISC. Opening this file with an unknown Windows program poses a critical security risk. Windows cannot interpret symbolic or nested configuration structures fully, so careful editing is necessary. Your primary action: right-click the ISC file and select Open With. If Microsoft Internet Information Services, IIS, is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. Continue testing until the ISC file opens successfully. When an ISC file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. Let's immediately implement 3 focused troubleshooting steps to find the underlying issue. First, opening an IIS Manager. Launch Internet Information Services. IIS Manager from Windows Administrative Tools. Connect to the server and use the configuration features to load and edit ISC files through the graphical interface. The manager provides validation and error checking for configuration changes, ensuring proper IIS operation after modifications. Next, editing as XML. Since most ISC files are XML, open them in a text editor like Visual Studio Code, Notepad++, or XML Notepad. Make changes to configuration elements following IIS schema requirements. Validate XML syntax before saving, and always back up the original configuration to enable rollback if changes cause server issues. Finally, using AppCmd tool. Use the AppCmd.exe command line tool from C+, Windows/System32/initsrv to manage IIS configuration. Commands like appcmd list config and appcmd set config provide scriptable access to ISC settings. This enables automated configuration deployment across multiple servers and integration with DevOps pipelines for IIS management. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.